Assalamu alaikum, pyare
Walaikum salam, Umar Rashid Kamran.
My name is Umar Kamran from Niyam Jamaat East region, and my question is, why are the congregational prayers Zohr and Asr read quietly, whereas the congregational prayers Fajr, Maghrib and Isha are not?
You see, first thing is that what we do, this is how we were taught by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second, that Zohr and Asr prayer are the timings where when you are offering your prayer quietly, you can give more concentration on your prayers. So there are so many reasons given, which the main thing is, that is how, which was practiced by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is how we follow. Okay? And if you want a detailed answer of it, you just write to me. I will give you some detailed answer with references. Okay? Now I have noted down your question, and I will give you a reply in writing, but you will have to write to me with your address, postal address, so that I can give you a detailed answer in writing.
Jazakallah.
Right? Okay.